What happens when one company builds an AI data center so powerful it could change India's entire digital future? Because Reliance is about to switch on something the world has never seen before. Today, we're talking about Reliance's plan to build a 1 gigawatt AI data center in Andhra Pradesh. A project so massive, it rivals what Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are building in the US and Europe. This isn't just another tech headline. This could shift India's position in the global AI race, change how companies build AI models, and even how 1.4 billion people use the internet. So let's break down what this data center really means, why it's happening now, and the big challenge almost nobody is talking about. Imagine connecting thousands of the world's most advanced AI chips, GPUs like NVIDIA's H100s or GB200s, all inside one giant campus. Now imagine that campus using 1 gigawatt of power, the same amount of electricity needed to run a small city. That's what Reliance is planning to build in Andhra Pradesh. And here's the wild part. This isn't even their first one. Reliance already has a gigawatt-scale AI data center in Jamnagar. This new one in Andhra Pradesh will act as its twin, creating one of Asia's strongest AI infrastructure networks. The world is fighting for AI dominance, not software, but infrastructure. Whoever owns the chips owns the future. India is the perfect storm. Nearly 1 billion internet users, the world's fastest growing digital economy, huge demand for AI services, education, healthcare, fintech, logistics, retail, a young population ready to adopt AI faster than anywhere else. That's why Google dropped $15 billion to build its own AI data center here. Microsoft and Amazon have already invested billions more. Now Reliance is stepping in, and they're not building anything small. You've probably heard about data centers, but an AI data center is different. A regular data center stores data. An AI data center thinks with that data. To train massive AI models, tech companies need thousands of GPUs linked together, insane cooling systems, huge fiber networks, power grids that never go down. A gigawatt of capacity can support hundreds of thousands of GPUs, can train LLMs the size of GPT-5, DeepSeek R1, Gemini Ultra, or Geo's future AI models, can power AI for telecom, retail, entertainment, and even Geo's entire digital ecosystem. This is no longer about just adding servers. This is about building the brain of India's digital future. But here's the twist. Building a 1 gigawatt AI data center sounds amazing until you realize the massive challenge behind it. These centers need huge amounts of power, reliable water for cooling, advanced chip supply, skilled AI engineers, government-level infrastructure support, and in India, all of these are already under pressure. Right now, the biggest question is, can India scale AI infrastructure fast enough to meet the exploding demand? Because even with Google, Microsoft, and Reliance investing billions, the demand for AI chips, power, and cooling is growing even faster. AI data centers consume insane electricity. 1 gigawatt is enough to power 700,000 homes, or run 5 international airports, or light up an entire Tier 2 city. India's grid will need huge upgrades. Most AI data centers use millions of liters of water each day for cooling. In water-scarce regions, that's a real issue. The global GPU shortage is still real. Even the US and Europe struggle to get enough NVIDIA chips. Reliance will need priority access to build something this big. India produces brilliant engineers, but advanced AI infrastructure requires ultra-specialized skills. We'll need thousands of new experts in chip engineering, data center cooling, high-performance networking, AI model training, cybersecurity at national scale. The biggest global AI companies are racing ahead. If India wants to lead, we need to build faster than ever before. Reliance's 1 gigawatt AI data center is more than a construction project. It's a signal that India is done being a consumer of global tech. We're stepping into the arena to build the tech the world will rely on. Between Google's $15 billion investment, Microsoft and Amazon's billions, and now Reliance's twin AI centers, India is building the next global hub for artificial intelligence. The future isn't happening somewhere else. It's happening here. Subscribe for more such videos and click on the bell icon to get updated.